I absolutely love this row counter ring. Whether I'm crocheting or knitting, I'm just a few clicks away from knowing exactly what row I'm on. And so now I can walk away from a project and return to it with confidence. Just rotate the two numbered rings that click into place. There's a gold marker bar that kind of works like a highlighter. That's how you always know which row you're on. I really like how this row counter ring feels. It's not too heavy or too light. You can tell it's really well made. I prefer to wear it on my thumb, but you can get it in a size that fits the finger you feel most comfortable with. I design crochet and knitting patterns for a living, so I use this row counter ring every single day. Frankly, I won't start a project without it. As a fellow maker, it's important that we not only encourage each other, but that we share the things that work for us. In today's world filled with shiny new objects and frankly, things that just don't work, it's easy to get distracted or worse by something that doesn't live up to what it said it would. If you go to janetsfavorites.com, you'll find a curation of the things in my life that actually will help you to live a wonderful maker's life.